This is my Little Ponies I started to collect when I was 5. And I have a bunch of them now. There's all around here. There's special ones and they are very nice. And this is Princess Luna. See? Princess Luna. Princess Luna is special. I got her. See? And I got Sakura right there. Is Sakura. She fell over on Photo Finish's back. See? Sakura. Botanica Ready. Apple Bloom. People love my pony so much that they tried to steal them once. And I haven't got them back. I lost my Granny Smith, but I do have her. Lost her from the store. Oh, looks like Pinkie Pie fell. This is Pinkie Pie. Party time, party time. Do 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 do, party time. Do 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 do, party time. That's Pinkie Pie. She likes to talk. And I don't like the ones with hair down, with soft hair. This is Snotty Guy. He's snotty. I got Shining Armor. And I've got Princess Cadance. See? They're really special to me. I got Gilda the Griffin. Oh! Gilda the Griffin ran away. See? Gilda the Griffin. Oh, I've got Mostly Orange, Peachy Sweet. I don't know who. Rainbow Dash is right there. There's a tree for my ponies. Princess Luna special. Oh, I got one of the Wonderbolts. And her. And where's my third Wonderbolt? Oh, and then my third Wonderbolt is over here. And I love my collection. See? I don't know how many ponies I have because I haven't counted them. Got the see-through ones, the sparkly ones. Not all the see-through ones though, but a lot I like.